Alright, hey, let me sit down, bro. Oh my god. I finna build a PC, bro. Y'all, if y'all can feel my heart right now, bro, y'all to know that your boy is low-key kind of stressed out. But fuck it. We going in it, bro. Here we go. Alright, crack it open. Bro, I was hearing stuff they were saying to try to keep away from static and stuff. If you like shock this, you can like mess your stuff up. So I'm like, okay, let me not get shocked, bro. But here we go. Ooh, this motherfucker beautiful. That motherfucker beautiful. Damn, look at it. This motherfucker beautiful. All right, let me sit this over here carefully. What is all this? Hey, I'm letting y'all know right now. Oh, I guess that's that little antenna thing. I'm gonna sit that over there. I'm letting y'all know right now. Bro, what is all of this? Bro, it's intimidating as hell. All right. Oh, no, bro. Okay, these stickers? Oh, that's fire. Okay, I like that. You got some tough gaming stickers? Fire. All right, I'm gonna need these instructions. I don't mind reading instructions, bro. I am not above instructions. Is something in this? Ain't nothing in this. All right, so ain't nothing in this. It's basically everything that comes in the motherboard. I see a lot of people on YouTube using the box as like a table, so that's what I'm gonna do too. Oh, make sure I ain't shocking nothing. Oh, all right, we good. Oh, sheesh, boy, it's official. Damn, I got the motherboard out. Hey, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. For one, first impressions, this bad boy looks sick, bro. Like it looks hard. Damn. I'm actually doing this. I'm actually building a PC right now. All right. Hey, bro, do y'all want me to like talk during this, or do y'all want me to just build? Because I ain't gonna lie, bro. I low-key kind of want to concentrate because I ain't trying to mess nothing up, bro. Hey, bro, this hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. It's fire. Yeah, you know what? I'ma just move my camera and then actually get me building the PC. And then if I got like anything I need to say or anything, then I'm gonna come and say it. But for the most part, I'ma just build this and just let y'all watch me build. You feel what I'm saying? How's that sound? Cause I know y'all like, shut the fuck up, bro. You overly excited for what? Blah, blah, blah. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Bro, I'm so nervous. Oh, all right, here we go. Pull all the plastic off because I do not want to leave that anywhere. All right, CPU, let's get it. They always talk about how hard it is to lift that. And that ain't too terrible. They be talking about, oh, inspect your pins. Inspect your pins, guys. Dang, I couldn't find the arrow. Where's the arrow on here? Okay, bottom left corner. All right. Oh, do not drop this. Dude, oop, I almost dropped. Do not drop this. So the arrow, it's low-key kind of heavy too. It's like got some, it's like feel like a little Apple Watch. Okay, bottom left corner. Here we go. Just drop it in there. Oh, fuck. I'm fucking up. Oh, shit. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I just fucked my motherboard up, bro. Dead ass. I just dropped that on there and fucked the motherboard up. The pins are bent, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I shit you not already just messed the motherboard up, bro. I'm low-key heated right now, fam. Damn. I'm so heated right now, bro. I promise you. Look, I don't know if I can show y'all this or not, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right there, bottom right corner, pins are bent. I dropped it, bro. Well, hey, I'm low-key heated right now, bro. So mad, bro. Like, I'm so mad right now that this just happened. Like, bro, I'm pissed. Well, hey, start it off. Do not drop your CPU, bro. So, yeah, I'm about to, all right, y'all. I'm gonna see. Oh, my God, bro, I just did that. Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is, bro. I guess I'm finna be ordering another motherboard.